G'day, how we going? This is first video, I guess. We're going fishing out in Victoria for some carp. Walk into a nice little spot. There's a spot. A little bit of a creek, runs under a bridge, so if we catch any fish, I guess you'll be seeing this video. And if we don't catch any fish, then this never existed. But I'll show you where we are, and then we'll set up and go for a fish, I reckon. Alright. As you can see, this is the waterway we got. Nice little bridge over here running through, so I'm going to throw a few lines in here about yay and yay. I know there's carp in here, probably reddies, and there's some eels which we're going to try and get on tonight. So we'll get set up and I'll show you what we got going, I guess. Alrighty, well let's bait up and do this, I guess. I just decided we'd film it, check it out ourselves, give this YouTube thing a go. Maybe someone might like this they might like this video. Alright, we got the corn. We're going corn and bread, and as you can see, it's pretty good. But I want to go probably straight out, and then the second one a little over there. So we're just going to keep it nice and easy, straight in the middle. That's not bad. A little bit of depth to it. Oh. Come on now, we know how to fish. We don't know how to fish, we make it up a lot. Alright, that'll do that one. Take a little bit of bread over here for this guy. Just kind of put the hook through. And look, I'm not using big hooks. I'm not going after big monsters, I just want to catch a fish, see how we go. Tighten you up a little bit more. I don't like my line overly slack. Alright, that should do. Oh, get up off the ground and have a look. I reckon some bubbles over there. Could be a go. Sun's in my eyes. Yeah, let's go with that. Still going down. And chunk. That should, if all goes well, should do us. Come on, that one's not the best, but there we go. See, we'll get some carp. Then when it gets nice and dark, we'll go chuck a bit of chicken on, see if we can pull an eel or two out. Alright, we catch your fish, you'll be hearing from me. Forget one thing though, which I do like to do. Let's get a bit of corn out there. Just a little bit. That should do it. Now we just send away. I tell you what though, it is a beautiful spot. Runs under the bridge a little ways and goes a little way back, but all in all, that's peaceful. There's no one around, a couple houses, hopefully a couple carp, and I'll be a happy man. Anyway, let's see if we catch something. As far as locations go though, I will add this in while I'm waiting for a fish to arrive. It's other than that, dude, it's a pretty nice little pond. Little spot. Like, you can't really get much nicer than this just around the corner, really. It's a nice spot. I mean, you got everything. I'm hoping there's fish, I guess. But wouldn't be the first time I've caught zero. Anyway, let's see if we catch a fish. You can see that way over there. There's rabbits. You see them? I'm hoping you can see them. Way off. Fairly fat one too. It's been like 50 minutes, 40 minutes. No bites. Rivers and water's nice. The rabbits. One of them looks tasty too. Anyway, that's my update. It's going well. I guess the name fits this video, doesn't it? Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh. Well, okay. So that was unexpected. I thought I lost him. I thought that was a lost. Where the hell's me? Oh, I need me net. Hang on. Oh, I'm not prepared. Hang on. Well, he came out of bloody nowhere for a start. That's going to annoy the show. Oh. Alright. Well, give me a sec. I'll get him off the line and we'll see how we go here. Nice little common carp. Oh, I was thinking I was going to get bloody skunked. No skunking. Not today. Alright. Let's have a look. Look at that. I mean, nothing special, but I'll definitely take that for the first fish out of here. Fix those rods up. Alright, well, I'll take care of this, because in Australia you don't go back. No. Alright, I'll take care of this and then I'll be back. Fish has been taken care of. Beautiful fish for a first fish, as much as they're very hated. They do a lot of damage. They're bloody fun and I grew up catching them, so I will always enjoy. New bit of bread. Birds under the bridge. Let's go again. That was about where it was the last time. Yep. Alright. Well, bread 1, corn 0. So this also got a bit bloody disrupted, so we'll have a little look, see how we're going. We're going like it's got corn on it. Let's go a little bit more over, a little bit more in there. Oh, there she goes, she's at the bottom. A bit deep there. A little bit going on that side. And I guess we'll see how we go. Alright, one on the board. We didn't blank, we got no donuts. So I'll take that. Beautiful. Nothing yet. Well, I had one, but nothing yet. So it's been 30 minutes. I get edgy, so pull them in, pick a different spot, and try again. The corn really has had 0 action. The bread, I think, may be the go. That's okay. I'm gonna try one little thing that might help. I was gonna give it a little aniseed. Oh, a little bit of aniseed spray. Probably do absolutely squat, but anyway. Put that there. Might just be enough to entice something in, or nothing. Usually in the case for me, nothing. All right. Well, let's have a gander. All right. I would go right up against the banks there, but I actually know from previously fishing there's a bunch of wood running all through that area that I just don't want to have to get taffled up every time. I got one little pull on the bread. Went real tight, one knock. So we're going to see if we got any bread left. If not, we'll bait that up and go. A little bit of bread left. Still on there, so that works. We'll try not to fall in. Just going to chuff it off to the side. And it's a fairly big chunk, but pretty much the same I suppose before. Yep. Put her on. Tighten her up, which is actually pretty tight, and Bob's your uncle. Now, while that's do the fishy dance, let's have a little look. Keep an eye on it though. May have to do some running, because next time I come back here I want to fish more up in this area. This is like my first pick. That's lovely, but if I was to take, just checking my rods, I'm a paranoid man. If I was to take another pick, I reckon this, where somebody has beautifully been sitting, I feel like this would be an absolutely, where's the bank end? Right there. This would be the spot next time I come back, because I'd fish one right in that gap, and I'd probably drop one right in there, and there. I tell you what though, for like just off the edge of a little suburb, it's a beautiful little patch of water. It's not super crazy. Could also just be a rough day. There's rabbits over there. Could have just been a rough day. But it's a beautiful little bit of water. And I quite like it. I know there's carp in here. Guarantee there will be eels in here. There potentially would be some redfin. Some other smaller non-catchable species of fish that I can't remember the names of right now. I'm not gonna act like I do, because I don't. Oh, well. What do they say? Fishy, fishy, fishy. Alright, fishy, fishy, fishy. Okay. Alright, well, I missed the hook up on that, because that happened so quick I didn't have time to turn you on, but we're on, and this guy came and smashed it very quickly, which I'm happy about. It's another lovely common. Just making words up now. Grab my net. Hold on one sec. No, come on. There we go. This guy was man, a bloody mess here. This guy was smashed on the corn. Happy to say, corn was the way on this guy. We just I love making a mess. Oh, thank you. Where's my line? All right. Yeah, I know. You don't want to be here as much as I do, buddy. Come on now, don't go too far away. I want to have a look at you. Come on. A lovely, well, sorry, another common, a little bit smaller than the last one, But nonetheless, fish number 2, very happy with it. I'm gonna put you down, turn this off, and do the not so pleasant part. But there we go, fish number 2. You stay there a sec. You catch me another fish in my bob. Taken care of. Geez, it came out of nowhere too. It was just going, should we say. He wasn't waiting around, which is fine. I like that. Keeps me pretty honest. But okay. Look at that. Can you? Oh, well. I'm lucky I even kept him on. Oh well. Get that on the big jobs. Put a new one on, which I'm very happy to do. What size? Where? Yeah. Making a bloody mess everywhere right now. It's fine. Smaller than the last one, but absolutely wrecked that hook. That's right. Put you back in, and we'll get rid of you when I get home. A little bit smaller. Tie a little bit of hook on. Does that even make sense? Tie a little bit of a hook on. We're going to tie the entire hook on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One for a good look. Through the hole. And I like to go back through the hole. Oh, I missed the first hole. It is getting a bit dark. Through the second hole. A little bit of spit for good look. Put that on. Well, 2 for the night so far. Or the evening. 2 for the evening. Couple bits of rubbish. I like a nice hearty one out of this one, I think. The old put you there. Tidy this mess up afterwards. Okay. There we go. Oh, we got a bloody... what is that? I told you, I'm useless. Someone would think I don't know what I'm doing, and they would be very right. Because I'm making a bloody mess out of what shouldn't be much of a mess, honestly. That's alright. Pop you back in over there, I guess. And let it sink. A bit of a deep hole there. There we go. Hit the bottom. Chuck you back on there. All right. Let's sweeten the deal up over there. Bread, sweet corn, 1 fish, 2 fish. However, the bread has produced a bigger fish, but the sweet corn produced a fish that just decided to just go ape shit. So I'm gonna sit back down, enjoy the last little bit of dark, and we'll be back if I catch a fish. All right, turn you the right way. No more fish. Get you in camera here. No more fish. The muzzes are out in full force. I think you can see the moon's up there somewhere. It's nice. Pack all the stuff, go home, have some food. I will be back in the next few days because, as I said, that area back there I want to fish. Alright, thank you. So I lied. As I was pulling in the rods, about to pack up, this rod got smashed. My net's behind me. I don't think it's hugely big, but nah, about the same as the others. Hold on. Oh, second cast. Had to bloody grab the camera from my pocket, all over the place. Oh, come on, come on. That'll do. Oh. Well, there you go. Shush. I learned a lesson. Don't put your camera away before all your equipment is out the water. I don't even know what you can see because it's dark. But let's start by getting the hook out. Didn't smash the hook. Last one, I think. Another common, about the size of the others. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention. I was not paying attention. I'm getting eaten alive by the mozzies right now. Just tidying up my bag, putting it all away. Hey buddy. And this guy came out and just smashed it. Emptied the bait. I was cleaning up, chucked the sweet corn in. It's about to throw the remainder of the dry bread in for when I come tomorrow. Just a little bit of bait in there or whatnot, but whoa, smashed it out of nowhere. I'm going to take care of him and keep the camera on my head just in case, I guess. All right, you ripper. Thank you. Whoa. Thank you, buddy. Thank you.